Hey friends, don't mind the mess. Welcome if you're back, or welcome if you're new. I'm Jerry. This is Jerry in Canada. I'm making some breakfast for my husband, and I thought I'd turn the camera on. Oh, I'm going to chop up some onions first. How have y'all been? I hope you're doing well. My doggie was sick for a bit, but she's starting to do better now. I'm not sure if you met Freya or not, but I'll show her in this video. Beautiful, sweet dog, and she's so gentle and so sweet, and she's just a loving dog. She's just incredible. We lucked out with our dogs that we had through the years. They all been so sweet. It's unbelievable. All rescue dogs. She's getting used to her life, and she's less and less afraid of things. I think she's always going to have some fear of stuff, though. Our dog we had before her was a wire fox terrier, Harrietta, we named her, and she was just the sweetest thing. But she always had still a little bit of fear of stuff based on how she was treated in the past. We got her when she was like 6 or 7. They figured she was about 7 when we got her. And Freya is a Cocker Spaniel, and she's 4 years old, 4.5 now. I'm going to use this here. You'll see what I'm doing. I'm just sauteing those onions first. How's everybody's summer coming along? I got my hair cut a bit too short, but oh well, it is what it is. And a girl. What was I going to say? Oh, I got some desserts from Canadian cookbooks. I think all of them actually. No bake. Some I made in the past, and I thought, wow, I never made that in a while. And I have some things in my little pantry that I have to use up, and I'm going to use them in these desserts. Well, that's sauteing. I'm not doing the desserts today, though, but I am going to do them. You don't have to play anything. Alexa, don't. Alexa, I don't want anything. Oh my goodness. Sometimes she just starts speaking to me. Probably because I talk to her. I don't know. Maybe she likes that. Some salt and pepper. I have to show you. Graham put the things from. Remember, I did the Costco haul and I got some plants. We went back and we got an extra box bush or whatever. I like how it turned out. We put like a boxwood and then another plant, boxwood, another plant, boxwood, and it looks really nice. I'll show it to you. Oh, my sauteing is turning into something more than that. Getting low on just about everything. I'll show you some clips of my refrigerator as well and what's in it. And I have absolutely zilch, without a word of lie, zilch in my freezer. So I want to start stocking up a few things. These are kind of more whole, like these are stuffed olives, which I usually cut up, but I'm just getting things going here. It is what it is. Get some scissors to do that. I got some feta cheese. My fork and pull out some of that. Let's crumble that up. My hands are clean. Freya, where are you, sweetie? I gotta keep an eye on her because she is sick, and I don't want her to get sick and get into it. 1 second. Hey, sweetie. Freya, you looking for Daddy? Oh, no, you're sitting right there. She's just sitting right there. Come on, sweetheart. She's nervous of the stand. I gotta push it over here a bit. Done. You get one of these. Push this in a bit more. Then I do my best on the next part. A little saucer. Come on, you can do it. Good girl, come on. Come on, it's okay. Mama, move this. You see what I'm doing, friends? I've got to flip it. Got to do that. And then I got to slide it on there. There you go. Don't excuse the mess. Hi, hon. Camera can't get you. Don't. We'll brown that a bit more. I'll try flipping it over because it looked better like that. Voila! I'm going to do some dishes.
Wow. That's amazing.
I hope you enjoy it, babe. And I'm going to share some clips, some video and that I did a few weeks back. This is my hubby hard at work doing down the driveway with the plants that we got with you all from Costco when I shared that haul. And I really liked them. I liked them a lot. Got a lot of dandelions in the yard this year. It's crazy, but dandelion season is over, thank goodness. And a few weeks ago, we had our puppy out for a walk on a trail. She was getting over a mammary infection, and now she has a different infection that we had her to the vet for, and she's getting treated for, and she's coming along very well. Hubby dug a trench. Graham dug a trench here. So we're going to put a tap over by the barbecue. And we're out here with our Freya. It's a beautiful day, hey puppy? It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. I told Graham to put sunblock on. I said, I'm going to nag you. He's like, what else is new? My husband is hard at work, starting at this end of the fence, going down to the tree. Going to put in a garden bed. I hope that you enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you in a couple of days. I have a Canadian recipe that it is a must share, and I hope to see you then. Take care, everyone. Bye.